Hello. Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about a theorem on the median relative to the hypotenuse. In right triangles, we'll prove that the median relative to the hypotenuse in a right triangle is equal to 1/2 of the length of the hypotenuse itself. We know that the median divides the side CB in two congruent segments, CM and MB. The line parallel to the side AB that passes through M meets the side AC in its middle point. This is the midpoint theorem. And if you have missed the video about it, you'll find the link below. The angle MM'(C) is a right angle. If we consider the two triangles MM'(C) and MM'(A), we notice that two sides and the angle between them are congruent. So we deduce that the two triangles are congruent. And AM must be congruent to CM. CM is 1/2 of the length of the hypotenuse. So we have proven the statement. Once proven the theorem, we want to prove also the reverse implication. Given a generic triangle, if the median relative to the greatest side is 1/2 of the length of the side itself, then the triangle is a right triangle and the right angle is opposite to the longest side. Therefore we have to prove that the angle ACB is a right angle. The median relative to a side divides it in two segments whose length is equal to 1/2 of the side itself. The hypothesis of the theorem is that even the median is equal to 1/2 of the relative side. So AM, MB and CM are three congruent segments. We notice that the angle ACB is equal to the sum of the angles ACM and MCB. If we consider the triangle AMC, it is an isosceles triangle because AM and MC are congruent. This also implies that the angle ACM is equal to alpha, because the angles adjacent to the base in an isosceles triangle are congruent. Another isosceles triangle is the triangle CMB, and the angle MCB is congruent to beta. Thus we can write that ACB is equal to the sum of alpha and beta. But considering the primary triangle ABC, we know that the sum of ACB, alpha and beta must be equal to 180 degrees. We have two expressions for the angle ACB that we can equate. And we arrived to the conclusion that the sum of alpha and beta is equal to 90 degrees. We have already seen that the angle ACB is equal to the sum of alpha and beta. Therefore the theorem is proven. Well, this video is over. If you like my videos, you can subscribe to the channel. See you soon with another video. Bye.